Hi guys, today we're going to be playing slap battles. So basically my friend Andrew, he helped me from the back rooms and build a boat. We're going to be playing together and we're going to be trying to make teams and killing people. And as you can see, someone is trying to kill me. Yeah, Andrew's right there. I don't know if you can see him. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, Andrew's name tag is here. Andrew Tran 4221. Okay, and Andrew's right there, as you can see. I'm behind him right now. Andrew, say hi. Andrew, say hi. Yeah, as you can see, he's Andrew. I don't know. Oh my god. Dude, these people are always behind me every time I play slap battles. Yeah. Andrew's right there. Let me try to kill this guy. He has a kill streak. Oh my. Dude, are you serious? Oh! Oh my god! Dude, these people! It's so annoying. I just want to get a kill streak. Oh my god, my game's lagging so badly. Are you kidding me? This again? Wait, who's the guy who... I don't care. I'm just gonna reset. Ugh. Oh my god, Andrew hit me. Oh yeah, and also in slap battles, just to let you guys know, there's different gloves. Here, I'll give you a preview of the gloves. So basically, these are the gloves, 380 slaps, and as you guys see here, this is where you can get the slaps. Yeah, and this is Andrew. Yeah, he wants to be in the video. It's because in the backrooms video, you can't see him that much, the one that I made. But we're gonna be continue filming. And these are gloves that you can get, but they're also badges. You can do different badges in order to get them. Andrew got a lot. Andrew has a lot of badges. He has Bob. Bob is a really rare badge, and he got it. He said he got it while playing a game. And we got Buddies, we got Moon, Jupiter, Spy, the Tornado. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I hope I pronounce it correct. Rage, Trap, Orbit, Hybrid. Yeah, he said he almost has all of the badges. He has a lot of slaps too. He has 33,405. And there's a secret badge over here too. But I can't get it. The reason why is because that badge requires 22,000 slaps. And I'm like, are you serious? Like, that's so much slaps. And I don't think I can get that much slaps. But this badge right here, no, it's not a badge. This glove right here, it's the flex, and it's 100,000 slaps. That's the most rarest badge. No, I mean glove. But either way, since I showed you a preview of the gloves, let's play. Oh, and also hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Oh no! Dude, I had one kill and I was about to kill this guy, but someone behind me killed me. Oh my god. It's time to die, bacon hair. Boom. Wait, what? How did he not die? Wait, what? My game's lagging, guys. My game is lagging bad. Oh my god. Boom. Oh my god, Andrew, I'm so sorry I hit you. He said no problem. Oh, and also, one of the most hardest badges I think there is the bus hand and the bob hand. It's rare to get them. But some of the badges you have to do like quests. Like basically you have to do like, in order to get the bus hand you have to jump into a bus. I forgot it, but you have to jump inside of a bus. I think so. I'm not sure. Like that. Like when I went inside that bus, I think that's one of the worst. I don't know. Well, I just forgot. I got it a long time ago. And sometimes the badges can also come from the sky too. Like it's a little orb. Please don't die. Oh my god. I am not gonna stay near that guy. He has a blue nose. Oh my god. Okay. Yes! Oh no. No! As soon as I get 4 kills! Oh my god. As you can see guys, every time I get a kill, there's always someone behind me. Like you guys saw it. As soon as I get a kill, there's always someone behind me. And it's annoying. Oh no! Dude, okay, that was a badge. I don't know if you guys saw it, but that was a badge. That was the spy badge? Oh my god! I wanted that badge. Wait, Andrew said no. It's... What badge is it, Andrew? Oh, it's the jet badge. I already got it. And also, if you're wondering why I keep using this badge, it's because basically it's a kill streak. If you keep killing people, your streak will go higher. And if you get like 20 kills, you can one-tap people. And at a certain amount of kills, you can also get different abilities. That's why this badge is really it's really good to get. It's just hard to kill people. Oh my god. Please, no. Oh. Let's go, I got 2 kills. And I might die. If I die, that's karma. Why? Wait, what glove is that? Because every time he hits me with that glove, I go backwards. It's this glove. So it basically pulls you backwards. But since these people are being annoying, it's time to get the God Hand. One of the most powerful gloves in the whole entire game. And it requires 14,000 slots. Yeah, and if you want to try this game, try it yourself. It's pretty fun. But you can also rage a lot. Oh, and also with the God Hand, you can stop time. And it can one tap. Oh, I wanted to go in that portal. I wanted to 1v1 someone. Boom. Nope, I'm not going in. Boom. Okay, so my ability is about to appear. And here is my ability. Time stop. Who should I kill, guys? I mean, I think I should kill these two because I can kill two of them, but I got karma because they killed me back. So, yeah, I'm just gonna end it here, guys. If you want to see me play more slap battles or any games, then I'll do it. And if you want, and comment down below if you want me to do any role playing, zombie role playing, any role play. And later soon, I actually might be doing a zombie. No, yeah, later soon I might be doing not a zombie role play, but I might be doing like a Jurassic Park role play. Yeah. Like, so Andrew he built a Monosaurus. If I pronounced it wrong, then don't question me. But yeah, Andrew built a Monosaurus and built a boat. And I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll just say, we're gonna make like a dinosaur show called like, I don't know, but we might be doing it. So if you guys want to see me play more slap battles, comment down below. And also remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.